Welcome to Salika Mag. In today's lesson, we will learn how to shear fabric with thin elastic and what the tips and tricks you should follow. So don't skip the video at any point. At the end, also I will show you that is it necessary to iron it, and if yes, then how we can iron it. And we need a thin elastic for this and a bobbin. So we can fill our thin elastic in this, and the fabric we need is almost the double of our required fabric. So for example, if I'm going to make this dress, so I need the double of this dress body part. So because the fabric will shrink after the this shear. Okay, so let's start. First we are going to mark here the lines. And guys, don't forget to subscribe the channel if you are first time here, and please hit the like button if you like this tutorial. It will really help me to grow on the YouTube, and more people will know that this video is useful. And see, first I mark here. You need to leave almost 1 inches. It depends that how much you need for the sewing lines or turning your fabric for your project. So you need some fabric according to that. So now I'm just filling my bobbin by hand. You can't do it by machine because we need a stretch, like a little bit stretch with the elastic. You need to fill your bobbin with a little stretch, and but don't stretch too much. And see, we will put it as normal we do with our thread. And the stretch on the elastic should be that after filling your bobbin, it will look like a regular thread. This is a common rule. So see, now I'm just testing my fabric. You can increase your tension if you feel that you need a little more stretchy. So I just test on one piece of fabric. Now I'm going to mark my see, you can see this mark. So at the starting also you need at least ½ inch to leave, and I will show you that why we need to leave this ½ inch. I will show you that if you don't leave this ½ inch, what will be the result. So I'm just following my first line. So you only need to draw your one line, and all the other lines you can draw if you want, but I will show you that without drawing all these lines, how you can follow your exact straight stitching, because obviously it's difficult to draw the more lines, and sometimes it's not a good idea for your light color fabric, so it will be visible. So see, now I'm just doing the double log at the edge, the starting and at the end you need to double log. This is very important. And now I'm going to start from the other side. You can see if I don't leave ½ inch on the edge, this is like gather from the edge. So when you start again your next stitch, it will be difficult to follow your first line. So that's why we need to leave ½ inch on our starting every time. So hope you get the idea. Now I'm going to mark my second line. So for a reference, I will follow my first line. I will keep my pressure foot as a guide, and it's aligned with my this first line, and then I will start. And now you have to stretch your fabric because there is already gathered, so you have to stretch it according to that, otherwise you will end up some gatherings on your shear, and it will not look neat. So see, that's how you have to follow your lines, and keep stitching till end and follow your this line, and in this way you can achieve your shear on the fabric. And in next part of this video, I will show you how you can iron this, and why it is important to iron your this shear fabric. So let me first finish some 3/4 stitches, so I can show you on the ironing part. So let's quickly finish this one. And guys, if you are first time here and if you are beginner in sewing, I already created a playlist how to make a dress, a complete course in which in 6 videos in that series you will learn how to make a complete dress. If you missed my video, my that playlist you can follow on my channel. And if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe the channel. So guys, this is the final look of our Shirr fabric, and let me show you the result. If you measure it from your actual fabric, you need you remember that I cut 2 pieces, so you can see this is all already become half of our total length, total width. So now it's almost let's say I think 9.5. so when I iron it properly, yes, you need to iron it properly and give it a steam, and by steam it will be shrink. So when it will be shrink, it will become more less, almost 1 inch more less than your size. So you can see now it become almost 8 inches. So that's how it shrink. Hope you like this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Take care. Bye bye.